If you are trying to learn Forex trading, here are some tips for you to make it a productive journey. I know because I've been there, I know people try to learn Forex, but many people actually do it the wrong way. So, in this video, I am hoping to give you some pointers on how you can actually better learn trading. Okay, um, so the first tip that I will have for you is sources. Don't drink from one source. I know it sounds counterproductive because you found a mentor, whether you found them on Twitter, whether you found them on Instagram, whether you found them online, or whether you bumped into them on the streets, but you found this person and they probably promised you that they are going to turn you into a perfect trader, a good trader. It's all good and fine, but what I advise you is to not only drink from that mentor. For example, the internet has made information available everywhere. So why would you just want to only drink from one source? There is free stuff online. For example, even on this channel, I'm not saying watch my videos. I will be happy if you watch my videos because I do provide some value. But on YouTube here, there are many people who are probably going to teach you one or two things that you are not going to learn from your mentor. If you go to Baby Pips, you're probably going to learn one or two things that you're not going to hear from your mentor. If you talk to other traders, they are probably also going to share with you one or two things that your mentor probably missed or probably thought it was not important. So, to learn trading properly, don't drink from one source, don't rely on one source. Broaden your mind, open your mind to new concepts. I've been in this industry for many years now. I'm still learning. Many people that I know who have been here, veterans of the industry, are also still learning because why? The market is dynamic, it's ever changing, so you have to constantly be on your toes. So you cannot afford to just be learning from one source. Read books. I know it's no longer in fashion nowadays to read books. People prefer to just I don't know listen to their mentor, but you might get value. You can get value from watching podcasts, listening to podcasts, reading books. There are many PDFs available online. By the way, if you are talking about downloads, if you are looking for free Forex robots, books, indicators, systems, and stuff like that, we have them on our blogs. The links are in the description box below. You can actually download everything that you want for free. Everything that we do on this channel is provided for free. We don't charge anything. Everything is for free. Again, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video. If I don't give you some good entertainment, I am hoping that you actually learn one or two things. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. See the link in the description box below. One of the best brokers in Africa, in the world. With just $5, you can start trading a real account and you can trade from indices, crypto, and Forex and stuff like that. Okay. So, second point is don't believe everything that you see. Many people, when they are learning trading, have this handicap of always believing everything that they see. For example, if you go on Instagram right now, you'll probably find out of 100, only 2 people posted losses. The 98, they are always in profit. They are ever in profit. Trust me, don't always believe what you see. Nobody makes money in the forex markets 100% all the time. You are going to take some hits here and there. It happens. But well, it's just a habit of people, especially on social media, not to post their failures, not to post their losses. Everybody on social media is a success, which is why I'm telling you, online or on social media, especially social media, don't always believe what you see. It's going to help you learn things properly, because the moment you believe that everyone is making more money, is just making money, and nobody is taking a loss, you are going to pressure yourself unnecessarily to always want to uh, make profit. And if you take a loss, it actually messes up your day, it messes your trading, it messes up everything, because you got a wrong notion that you are always going to make money in trading. There's nothing like that. Don't always believe what you see. Third point, don't pressure yourself unnecessarily with following these lifestyle traders. There are lifestyle pages where they are always posting their Lambos, their Rolls Royces, their Ferraris, their huge mansions, their nice phones, nice women, cash all around. If you're going to learn to trade properly, there's no harm. There's no harm in following lifestyle pages for motivation, but there must be a boundary, because sometimes what it does is it actually places unnecessary pressure on you. It builds like wrong expectations in you about trading. When you see 18-year-olds driving around in Lambos, there's nothing wrong about it again. Then you start thinking you must be doing something wrong, or you need to always take all these trades. You're just taking trades because you want to buy that Lambo, you want to buy that BMW, you also want to buy that Mercedes Benz and stuff like that. That's the pressure that you start building up unconsciously when you're watching these lifestyle pages. So I caution against just following these lifestyle traders. There's no harm in following one or two for motivation, but be careful that you don't place unnecessary pressure on your shoulders. Okay. One mistake to avoid also is to just learn and go into these things in the markets. What you want to do, what a clever person does, or what I think a clever person does, is to actually learn first, practice, 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 then you actually go in the markets and do what you have tested, do what you have proven that it works. You can do that on a demo account, or like I said, the broker that I use, you can actually open a $5 account, so you actually trade in real market conditions or practice in real market conditions. Demo is fine, but I believe demo lacks a crucial element that you need to learn as a trader, which is actually uh, psychology. Like, how are you going to react in the markets when you are losing money? How are you going to react in the markets when you are making money? Demo trading doesn't really teach you that, because it's fake money. But if you have a few dollars on the line, real money, it's going to teach you one or two things about yourself. When you see that money uh, is in a loss, or when you actually discover that you are making money. So that's why I always recommend that you actually open one of these micro accounts with my broker. You just need $5, and you can start practicing and practicing, and you practice on your psychology, because it's actually going to be one of the major factors on whether you are going to make it as a trader or you are not. Your your discipline, your psychology as a person, regardless of the trading strategy, regardless of indicators that you use, system that you use, or whatever you use, but you as a person, people react differently when they lose money. People react differently when they make money. Okay. So those are some points that I thought I need to help you out with, how to properly learn to trade and avoid the mistakes that many people make when they are learning to trade. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.